Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. This is a new section in this channel called Swing Pick for the month of December. Today we are going to share the first swing pick for the month, that is Mtar Technologies. Before going into swing pick, let's see what is the outlook of Nifty for this week. Currently, Nifty is trading at all-time high. It's around 18,647 points. If you see the Nifty, after a good downtrend, it got a support around 7,500 level and again it started moving up. Trend continues till 18,000. It touched 18,600 and it gone into a consolidation mode wherein it was consistently making higher lows and higher tops. It was trading in between a channel. After that, it broke the channel and started moving up from 15,000 levels. After that, it made two double tops and got a support around 17k and it started moving up. If you see a broader channel of 18,600 to 15,000, it was consolidating for a period of more than 1 year. Currently, it is showing uptrend. It has broken the all-time high level of 18,600 and it is in an upward journey. If you see in detail, Nifty is consistently taking the support of this trend line, wherein it's touched here several times. This is the first time. After that, it touched again here. Currently, it is at the support of the trend line. So from here, we are expecting a move towards upper level. If it managed to break 18,900 level, that is the next immediate support, it can easily touch 19,000 and it can go further. If you see the Nifty 50 in terms of moving average, currently, it is trading above all the moving average. It is well above the 200, 100-day, 50-day, 20-day as well as 8-day moving average, which is on a short-term uptrend. It took several support from the 8-day moving average and again it is moving on an upward momentum. Currently, it is touching the 8-day moving average and can move towards 19,200 levels. Now let's see the swing trade pick of this month, that is Mtar Technologies. So the first swing stock for the month is Mtar Technologies Limited. Mtar Technologies was established in the year 1970. It is in the business of manufacturing various machine equipment, assemblies, sub-assemblies and spare parts for energy, nuclear, space, aerospace, defense and other engineering industries. Some of the major projects include they supplied engines for PSLV C5, which has launched the Mars orbiter mission spacecraft. Also, they supplied some of the key components to GSLV Mark III engine for Chandrayaan 2 mission. If you see Mtar Technologies, it has listed in the year 2021 April. From there, it is traveling in an uptrend and it's touched the overall lifetime high of around 2500 levels. From there, it starts falling and it got a support around 1200 level. Currently, it broke the immediate resistance of 1696 levels and currently it is trading at the range of 1726. In terms of moving average, currently it is trading above all the moving average. It is well above 200-day moving average, 100-day moving average, 50-day, 20-day as well as 8-day moving average. 8-day moving average shows short-term moment of the stock. If you see MACD as well as RSI for Mtar Technologies, the RSI is trading well above the 60 mark. It is in the range of 68, which shows good momentum in the stock. Once it reaches to above 70 levels, it will show good momentum in coming days. If you see in terms of MACD, the blue line has crossed a red line in November itself and there it starts the uptrend. Currently, it crossed the immediate resistance of 1696 and it is currently trading at 1726 level. It can again retest the same level of 1696 and can reverse it for higher levels. You see the company profile, Mtar Technologies is having a market cap of 5,279 crores. Currently, it is trading at a PE of 70.6, which is above the industry standard of 32.7. It is commanding higher PE because of good ROC as well as good ROE. ROC is in the range of 15.7%, whereas ROE is in the range of 12%. Mtar Technologies is having a dividend yield of 0.17, which is less compared to standard shares. The face value of the share is 10 rupees and it is having a debt to equity ratio of 0.24, which is manageable. The pledge share is very little. It is having a pledge share of around 2.65%, which is okay. The PEG ratio is 1.65, which shows some room for growth. The sales growth is in the range of 45.9, which is very good. And profit growth is in the range of 38.6, which is very good. You see, last 3 years ROE as well as ROCE. ROE is in the range of 12.7, whereas ROCE is in the range of 17.6, which are very good. Similarly, sales growth for last 3 years is around 20.6, whereas profit growth for last 3 years is in the range of 16%. If you compare with the peers, Mtar Technologies is holding higher PE along with Paras Defense. These two companies among the peers are holding higher premium, which shows the strength in these two companies. If you see dividend yield, Mtar is giving 0.17% dividend yield, whereas Paras Defense is not giving any dividend. If you see net profit on quarter basis, Mtar is giving around 25.18. The ROC and ROE is good compared to its peers. It's having a lower debt to equity ratio of 0.24, which is manageable. And the pledge share is also very less, which is okay. The company is having consistent profit growth of around 16% and sales growth of around 20%, which is very good and consistent compared to its peers. Now let's see the profit and loss statement. If you see the sales March 2011 was around 54 crores, whereas currently it is having a sales of around 394 crore, which is very good. If you see last year, March 2022, it is having a sales of around 322 crores, which is very good. The company is recently performing good operating profit. The last 2 years is consistently showing good operating profit. Operating margin also improved a lot. In last few years, the operating margin is well above the 20% mark. Initially, the net profit was not consistent and it was in a range of single figure. After 2019, it is showing consistent steady growth in terms of net profit. So, what is the overall outlook of Mtar Technologies? I am quite bullish on Mtar Technologies as it is one of the major supplier for defense equipments. Fundamentally also, the stock is very good, so one can bet for long term also. It is a small cap company of having a market cap of around 5,000 crores. If it is consistently delivering these type of results, it can become a multi-bagger in few years. If you see technically, we can consider this as a up and handle pattern, whereas currently it is breaking the handle and it is moving up. So once again, after breaking the current resistance, it has come back to the same level. So it will act as a support and it can retrace from the existing level. So first immediate target is the first swing, that is up to 1900 level. This is the target one. If you take the bigger swing, that is the cup swing, then it will translate into 2200 level. So 2200 happens to be the second target. So one can bet on this stock technically with two targets. T1 is around 9900 and T2 for 2200 level. As you can see, the handle is happened in last 3 months. The T1 target can be approximately 3 months time, and in terms of T2 we can wait for 6 to 12 months. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing this channel, and also don't forget to like, comment and share if you like the video. Thanks for watching and have a good day.